Hello everyone, welcome to all on my channel once again, and this is Rashmi Sinha. I'm so happy to see all my lovely viewers, those whoever watching anywhere, and lots of blessing and love that you all will be safe at the time of this pandemic situation and you all are locked down. So hope for the best. So in the series of juniors, as I was shooting some of the videos where I am shooting some question answers also because they are so small to cover or to write the answers by their own. I have already shooted 2, 3, 4 videos of one chapter computer and electronic device, 2 videos of that, and then role of computer, 2 videos of that, and this is the second video of input and output device. You can see the part 2 where I'm going to cover the question answers of this particular chapter. So we will draw and write together along with this chapter because this chapter is already I taught in my previous video. If you missed that, please go through the playlist of class 4. You will find that. Okay, so those who are of different classes and if they have the same lesson, they may also use the lesson. So the first question which I'm going to cover, that is name the main parts of computer. As we have count so many parts of computer, but I have written some major parts which is without them computer actually can't work, and the main parts of computer according to my video is the main parts of computer are monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Among these four names, the monitor and CPU are most important for computer, but keyboard and mouse, instead of them anyone we can use, but they are also because in the time of in this time we are not so much comfortable with keyboard, so we are mostly using the mouse. So these are the four major parts or main parts of computer. Among them, one I have drawn also, like a monitor is drawn. You may choose any one of them, like if you are comfortable with CPU, you may draw one CPU and one monitor. So this answer will become a complete answer. Now we'll go to the second question. Which part of a computer is used to point and select an object? Hope you all get it. What is the name of that part which helps to point and select? And the answer is mouse. When you scroll a mouse, when you hold a mouse, it is dragging and easily swiped on a table, and you have a mouse pad also. So the answer is mouse is used to point and select an object. And I have drawn a very simple small mouse also. In previous video also I have given some of the drawings which is suitable for these answer. You may use 1 or 2 picture that will enhance your answer and will look very attractive. So as we covered the first question, that what are the main parts of computer, and then which part of computer is used to point and select the object. The third question is, what is the other name of headphone? Guess what? What is the other name of headphone? We simply call it headphone, which looks like this. This is the headphone. But if you have a wire one, what do you call them? Earphone. So the other name of headphone is earphone. We call both the names, sometimes headphone, the bigger one, and earphones, those who are with along with the wires. So earphone, headphone are actually of same use and they look only different, but they are same. Okay, so the fourth question of the same lesson is, which part of computer looks like TV? Guess. Everyone knows, and the answer is monitor. Monitor look like TV, not only simple TV but LCD, LED TV also. Monitor you can get from the market of that size and pattern also. So the answer of this question is monitor looks like a TV. So how many pictures we have drawn till now? See, the monitor we have drawn 2 times because that is also a part of our answer. Mouse we have drawn, then headphone we have drawn. You may draw a CPU for the first answer. That will be most attractive. Okay, and the last question of the lesson is name the device which is used for transferring data from one computer to another. You will definitely thinking of that which device is actually transferring the data from one computer to another computer. And the answer, you may not guess this answer. And the answer is, look at this picture. What is this? This is a pen drive. You may replace pen drive as a CD also, but I have drawn the simple one, which is pen drive. You might have knowing this and recognize the pen drive easily. So the answer is pen drive is the device which helps us to transfer data from one computer to another, and I have drawn a pen drive for also. So by this way we have completed all the 5 answers of the lesson input and output device. If you have any kind of doubts and trouble as the pictures I have drawn, please draw along with the answer. Write it neatly and cleanly. I have already made one video on writing and one video of drawing. If you like those videos, please do share, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the next chapter's notification, next lesson notification. Hope for the best. So good luck. Take care. Bye-bye. Stay safe at your home and keep your family also safe. For this, I am going to end my video. So take care. Bye-bye, everyone.